The latest input coming in from the national capital, back-to-back huddles are underway, and right now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is holding a crucial huddle with the Navy Chief, the Air Force Chief at the 7 LKM. The Army Chief is also present there. We know this comes a day after the DGMO briefing where a lowdown was given in the most comprehensive way on the achievements of Operation Sindoor. My colleague Pragya stays with us, who's going to break down all the details. Pragya, back-to-back huddles in the capital. Now we know what can we understand from this meeting that's currently ongoing. This also comes just ahead of the DGMO, the talks that will be held between the India-Pakistan DGMOs.
Absolutely, and these are no ordinary circumstances, and in fact government has said that the Operation Sindoor still continues. It is ongoing operation right now, but the fact of the matter that Prime Minister is holding this particular meeting where CDS is also present along with Tri-Services Chief seems like that we are also on the offensive right now.
Yes.
We did not see any sort of firing from Pakistan last night, despite the fact that Pakistan did violate ceasefire on the first day it announced the ceasefire was announced. But it looks like there is some significant developments that have taken place, and this is exact reason why the Tri-Services Chief and in fact CDS have come here. Militarily action, what we can do to protect our boundaries and to protect our airspace. Not just that, we also need to ensure that there is no terror strike at all, because then it would mean war for both the countries, and it will be also difficult for the region as well. But India is firm that we won't tolerate terror on our soil, and this is exact message that has been sent not just to the Pakistan but to the US and to the world as well. US tried to mediate, and US has also been shown the place, saying that it is a matter between the two countries, and we won't we equivocally said that this is a call from the Pakistan DGMO to India DGMO, and this is why we agreed for this ceasefire.
So Pragya, post the ceasefire, post that understanding that both countries achieved, these are back-to-back huddles in the capital. The focus one is going to be on how the ceasefire blueprint takes shape when the DGMOs talk today. Then there is also going to be another key military briefing at around 2:30, and currently the Prime Minister is meeting the Tri-Service Chiefs and also the CDS. They're all huddled up at the 7 LKM. We'll come back with more updates. Time for us to take a short commercial break.